Oh, Mama. Hello, hello.
Hey, is that a vlog?
Alright. That's a leverage. You don't know what's that spring break time. There's it.
The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Oh, leverage nation. You know see what I go on. Well, you not see it, but me just a notice. After I finish the vlog, realize what hole was in the shirt. I'm going on the beach, me just take out a shirt out of the bag and realize a hole was in that one for the beach. But that now stop the bargain. You guys enjoy the video, watch the vlog. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. That a leverage. The leverage, yeah. You know the leverage. You don't know, say from Jamaica back to America, Florida to be exact, Fort Lauderdale. Yeah, man, you don't know, so we're jumping at the spring break time, you see me? You don't know, so welcome back to Leverageboss TV. You know, so your boy Eclips, aka Leverageboss. And today we're up on the South Florida, yeah. I don't know, so a spring break admission. Right now, the place park. So I want to check out and see where I go on, you see it? The beach park, my people. Right now, just to see where I go on. Yeah. Forward in late, you see it? And you can see where I go on, so the people them out, you know? Got a leverage. Spring break edition, you see me? Yeah. Out here, man. When the catch you are going. All heap of people here, you see? We're just going to take a stroll. I'll be a music right just so still. Hopefully it not affect it. Try going in the sun, you see? Right now, you're so packed. Watch it. That's a leverage right now, the beach pack up. People like dirt. Spring break edition, you know? That's a show how it's staying at them time. Yeah. Leverage, I see one bag of people right there, so I don't know where I go on. Yo, it is crazy. Yeah, man, that's a leverage, man. I don't know a leverage boss TV. Hey. Yeah, so Beach crazy right now. Look where I go on now. This is going to be a quick walk through, you see me? Just there. Yeah, man, I mean, I say, we see when I like the hill video, you see me? We're going to be back in Jamaica. Soon before, no, we're just back in our place right now. But we'll be back in Jamaica soon before we know it, you know? What am I doing over here, sir? Yeah, so that's a part of the thing, man. You see it? Jamaica was a great experience. We never get to do everything we want, but we're gonna make the time out to make some better videos, see me? Since I like the cooking, we have some more outdoor cooking to do in our backyard and all them stuff there. That's a leverage, you see me? Yeah, man. So just a stroll by the beach real quick and show you how I go on how it look in South Florida. Maybe right now today, so we reach up to the weekend. I'm gonna show you how I go on weekend. Part few up on the beach stuff. You see me? Spring break edition. So yeah. Right now, like me that say now, I say yo, give thanks to all of the supporters them when see the thing and subscribe to the thing and share up the thing and like up the thing and always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, you see me? But yeah, man, I saw yard man up in a fire and do it, you see me?
We'll push up there.
Soon and very soon we just yeah, man. Look at the right thing, you see it? So we just here so a stroll show and see where I go. You see me? Check out it. Be a people on the beach. Make back a stroll show back. Up on the so. Yeah. You know leverage nation people them enjoy things. And remember up there so elbow room the last time if you know. New to the channel we have some old video we walk, but it never too busy. You see me? But now I just hear college people from out of town. People from out of town there, you see me? Yeah. Make it drop. Yeah, man. So I just walk and show now. Oh, go on. Beautiful scenery. Beautiful people. Don't know, so when I have the eye candy for go and look where I go on. You see it? to leverage. Yeah man, a quick little thingy thing to show you where I go on the South Florida.
Oh,
You see
I
me?
put it off good. Oh, I say grass.
Yeah man, we just a walk on a show you scene. You see me? Nothing too tough. Let's see where I go on. You can't play ball man. Right, it looks like the police them are come clear the beach right now. Like they want everybody to leave.
Probably got bad.
See them there? Police them not playing a horse and all of the good. Them are clear at the people, them watch out. Crazy. I guess it's time for go. Them are try clear the beach. God damn. Oh, alright, what them are do? Clean? I don't know what them are do. Right now, night I come down.
Jamaican in a Fort Lauderdale. I don't know anything go. Walk on. Yeah. Let's walk the strip. Up and down. See what we can catch, you know? Quick and spicy. People might have them lunch over here, so over the side and go over there, so we go up on the beach, isn't it? Over there, so. Obviously, them are fix them by.
Already living that life, and now they're not rich. They're not using the same
What are you doing?
I think I'll turn back the way. Yeah, leverage nation, I'll turn back the way because my things are doing so lively. Isn't it? I think doing so lively, so what if I pick people more doing so?
I'm the next.
Excuse me.
I was doing some goofy shit.
Dog, them are do them spring break YouTuber. Yeah, isn't it? So that way I do with us a walk over here. So.
Cheers, everybody!
What channel is this? So YouTube? What name? Oh, nice. Yeah. Nice, the dog them do interview, you see it?
Yes, sir. It's great inside my city, man.
Man. You know leverage, you know? Yeah, leverage nation. I'm just showing you a place and I'm going to see where I go on. Make this go viral. You don't know to see some beautiful ladies like the one them over here, so. You know them are do them TikTok same way. Yeah. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Man. Yo, me see that dog up on TikTok already, you know. See that dog up on TikTok already, man. I don't remember what his name. Yeah, we know them dog, man. Who know them? The police them clear it way, you see it? Don't know a spring break. Have to move down some more. Excuse me. Hey, wow. crazy right now. Whole heap of people, whole heap of activities. People them live, the college picking them out. The up north of them out in a down south Florida, you see me? That's how we do it thing, you know, you know the leverage, you know, leverage nation, you see? That's how we do it badness, you see me? That's how we go to work, man. That's just showing the place, nothing too crazy, you see me? Anybody want, you know? Right now in a South Florida. I know, so like I said earlier, in a couple weeks, you don't know, say, yo, a Jamaica. Well, I'm not going to the spoiler, but we are go back in a Jamaica, you see me? Soon. And we are do the badness, you see me? Yeah, man. Clearing the beach. Yo, I guess it.
Oh my god.
They might clear the beach. That's it. Fix this, isn't it?
Oh my god.
A quick little walk through. Look. Sorry, my bad. Yeah man, you know leverage, so that was just a quick preview of what go on, how we are making a checkout. I need a version soon, you see me? Because I don't know what's a spring break weekend, you see me? That's a leverage. Yeah, walk back here now. You see me? So walking up back the island. I see building them. That's a leverage. You know the leverage nation. We're out here, you know? Yeah. Yeah, no. Oh, Mama. Hello, hello.
Hey, is that a vlog?
Alright. That's a leverage. You don't know what's that spring break time. There's it.
Look at Gina in this video.
No, I'm gonna go up here. Yeah, man. That's a leverage. So right now we keep on still a walk down the island, see what we see. And just a go on record the view them and you don't know what the pit them come down and things, so yeah man, and that way I do all the way. Yeah. So you know. Just see where I go on, you see me? Look what I go on now man, with the up there so. Yeah, it's alive. live, man. You don't know. You know a leverage, man. So we are just a bombs and make a circle and then come back. And yeah, man. Hello. We are finished right after. You see me? Crazy. And turn up. So you know a leverage. That's how South Beach look. It's spring break time, so you know a place I get live. Hopefully, we have a part for you. You see me? You see me?
What's up with it, man? Spring break 2024. We in this shit, nigga.
Yeah.
We lit, nigga. Yeah.
You know the leverage. Best. So you don't do it. Yeah, man. A leverage nation, man. You don't know, you know. I just spread the love in our channel. You see me? Yeah, man. That is it. So, until next time when I get a part 2, you see me, leverage nation. That is it. I'm out. You know leverage. Always remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend for tell a friend. You see me? Up.